Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's time for our weekly forex forecast where we analyze market trend, identify potential setups, and help you navigate the forex market with confidence, as well as help you make informed trading decisions. Don't miss out on your chance to stay ahead of the forex game. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into this week's forex forecast. Here on the chart, guys. So yeah, we're currently on the 4-hour time frame. I love to have a bigger picture of what the market is to do. So guys, here on the weekly time frame, okay, we can clearly see that the market is in a downtrend, right? We have price making lower highs and lower lows. Right here we have lower lows, okay, lower highs, we have lower lows, okay, and then we have lower highs, we have lower lows, lower highs, and we are expecting price to push down, right? So guys, you can clearly see we are in a downtrend, okay? So but then we are having a correction back to this zone. Let's quickly take a look at how the weekly candle closed for last week. Yeah, so we can see that the weekly candle for last week closed bearish. So guys, let's scale down to guys, as you can see on the daily time frame, price in an upward trend, okay, in line with the correction move we identified on the weekly time frame. And currently price has tapped into the daily supply zone. All right, price has tapped into that place, so this is a correction move back to that zone, okay. And clearly we can also see, like I said, in line with the correction move, and the price is in an upward trend, okay. We have this price is still making an upward move to supply zone, right? So guys, let's quickly draw our trend lines before we scale down to the lower time frame. So here you all know how to draw our trend lines correctly, right? We have our trend line here, we have a break of trend, right? And we are yet to have a break of structure. Remember guys, break of trend is not a change of trend, but break of structure is. So we have a break of trend, but price kept making higher highs, right? So until we have a last buy structure around this zone, okay, so until price takes off this structure, right, then we can validate this break of trend. But for now we are still in an upward trend because price failed to break this level, okay. So guys, let's quickly scale down to the 4-hour time frame. So here on the 4-hour time frame, guys, let's do a quick analysis to know what we're expecting for the week, okay. So here on the 4-hour time frame, guys, what can you see? You can clearly see that just like we saw on the daily time frame, price is making higher highs, higher lows, and then we have a period of consolidation around here, okay. And then the resistance zone, we also have this, so we can clearly identify a triangle pattern here, okay. So after this period of consolidation, we have the bullish run to the upside. So guys, and then what happened? Price tapped into the supply zone, okay. We have some reactions at the supply zone which led to a bearish move to the downside. So guys, for the beginners here, let's take a quick look at this, okay. Price made lower lows, we have a lower high here, we have a lower low, and then we have a lower high. So we are expecting price to push downward back into this zone, okay. So guys, we can see on the 4-hour time frame, we have identified that the current trend is a downward trend, okay. So let's quickly identify if it has a chart pattern that it's using to come downward, right? You need to master how to identify chart patterns, or master the use of chart pattern in your technical analysis, because it also gives you an edge, right? So guys, always take note of chart patterns because it helps you in your analysis, okay. So guys, what can you see here? So guys, we can see a bearish expanding wedge to the downside, okay. So here, what do you see, guys? What do you see? What do you see? Here we can see a third bounce on the trend, and you all know what the third bounce on the trend means. You all know what the C move means. Fundamentals, you all know this concept, okay? So here, guys, we have the third bounce on the trend, and if you look closely, guys, let me zoom this a little, okay? So, guys, if you look closely, you can see the supply zone seated around here, okay? So we can clearly see a supply zone seated around here, right? So we have another confluence, okay? And then, so let's check out the field retracement tool, and let's see if we can get another extra confluence here. Guys, hope you know how to draw your field retracement tool. If you do not, you can sign up for my mentorship program. So guys, let's take a look at this. As you can see, we have price respecting the 5061.3 retracement level around that zone. So guys, we are in for a bearish run this week, okay? We are in for a bearish run, except price otherwise breaks this structure, and then we can look to go bullish. But on that note, with respect to what we are seeing on the chart right now, we are in for a short move this week. So guys, let's quickly take a look at how many pips into the future we are looking at, right? So let's say from here we are expecting plus 200 pips, guys. We're expecting plus 200 pips this week. So let's quickly take a look at the 15-minute time frame, as you all know, which is my entry time frame, okay? So let's quickly take a look at this. You all know we can't just start shorting anyhow. So despite the fact that all our confluences are valid to go short on this trade, guys, we don't just go ahead to hit the sell button. We have entry criteria which we must look out for, okay? We don't just short anyhow. We have a rule-based strategy, like I said, for entry. For those in my mentorship, you know our entry pattern, and for those in my telegram, you can also attest to the precise entries that I drop with my signals, okay? So guys, here's a snippet to what we are looking at for, right? As you can see here, there is a level right here where price is seated. We have a level here, okay, where price is seated, right? So what we are looking out for is to see some kind of reaction here. We're expecting to see some kind of reaction, something like this, right? And then we go short, right? We're shorting plus 200 pips, guys. We're shorting plus 200 pips right here, guys. So this is my bias on the euro dollar this week. Join my Telegram community using the link in the description, where I share lots of educational content and winning signals. Guys, you can see we made 90% win rate in the signals I dropped last week. Guys, you can be part of this community, okay? So back to our chart, back to our 15-minute time frame, guys. This is what we are looking out for to short this week, except the price breaks this level, right? This level, as you can see, except price breaks above it and moves to the upper side, then we can change our bias. But for now, we are looking at to short the euro dollar. Guys, if you're still struggling in the forex market, you're still struggling to make profit in the forex market, you can sign up for my mentorship program, where I share the exact same strategy I used to make the sniper entry and make profitable trades in the forex space, okay? And here it is. Make sure you are not the market liquidity. Take care of yourself and cheers to wealth.